Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So for those who don't know me yet, I've been working as a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong. And right now I'm doing some YouTube videos where I show you guys how I use mostly technical analysis to build my scenarios and to set up my trades. So in today's video, I want to make an update on AMC. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let me just sum up a bit the situation. So I've done my last video around, I did one here. I told you guys we're breaking out, and I did my last video around here and I told you guys that we are bullish. So what I'm actually doing here, guys, you need to understand this, because this is actually the most important thing about the way I use technical analysis, is that I'm counting waves and I'm trying to see whether or not the wave is complete and where possibly the next wave is going to. So here, very quickly guys, I use Elliott waves counting. You have different theories of counting, but Elliott is the best one. Is the one that is the most successful and that most traders are using. So very quickly, waves up develop in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And waves down develop in 3 waves, usually ABC, can be also a triangle. And ABC waves are actually the most common ones. So here I have my one that I broke down in 5 waves. And the question I'm having, so this is the most important thing about the videos I'm doing on AMC for the past week and maybe for the next week as well, is where is the second wave going, all right? Then 3, 4, 5 would go like here probably. So this is my target, the third wave going to 25, then correcting, and then we go to 35. All right. But to do that, we must first complete the second wave. So we have different ways to actually spot if a wave is complete or not. And the one I prefer is, so let me get rid of it, is to use trend lines. So this is what I showed you guys already. So I do it very quickly again. I connect the high that I have here with the high that I have here. And this connection gives me a trend line that once is broken is usually retested exactly like we did here. And then usually we go higher. So this is my preferred scenario. All right. So this is what is probably happening right now. But once again, you cannot build up your scenarios just by, using one method and concluding right away that this is my preferred scenario. You need to have more methods that are actually converging to the same conclusion. So here, first, I need to analyze if my second wave is clean or not. So I know this is a corrective wave, ABC, so I try to label it. So A, very easy. B, very easy. And the question is the C wave going here? Is the C wave going here? So I'm going to build up a few scenarios. Let's say the C wave first is going here. So this is something I showed you guys already. And then we're having a 1, 2. And then we must be in this, third wave. So let me do this. All right, this is what we are looking for, guys. This is the scenario that to me, is the most likely. But I want to show you guys the other scenarios that we could have, so you guys are prepared to everything. But for now, this is, really looking good to me. It looks like, very normal. Here we have an ABC. So it looks like we are in the third wave of our third wave. So we are looking for a very impulsive move coming very soon, guys, very soon. And let me show you the alternative scenarios. Depending on what the price action is doing, we know what is happening. So for example, here, the alternative scenarios, because you're not sure that, it's not because we don't do the third wave right now that actually the third wave won't happen. The third wave would happen, I think, anyway. The question is when. So this is the alternative scenario. Up. So I do like this, and it's actually not an ABC, it's a WXY. WXY. And in my WXY, guys, same, this is in the book. So we're having ABC, we're having A, B, C. So it's ABC, ABC, ABC. And here, look guys, I'm going to give you some very precious information right now. And then the B wave. So is it like this? Maybe, but we're having here a breakout. So we probably going to go higher. So what is the maximum level we can go to for this scenario to be still valid? We can only go, guys, up to the maximum that we have here for this bearish scenario to actually be valid. So if we see AMC trading above 1130, we know that this scenario is actually off the table. So this is a very precious information, all right? If we go above 1130, we are 90% sure that we are in this third wave, and the third wave will be impulsive if everything that I said before is correct, of course. But you know, I've been going through this stuff many times, and I believe that everything that has been done on my charts, in my drawings, using Elliott wave theory is accurate. So let's suppose I'm right on this. So if we go above 1130, this scenario is off the table. So once again, here, we could also see something like this. A, B, C. I'm not going to do all of them, but maybe we are not doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but an ABC, and we're going to have one more. All right. So this is the second scenario that to me is less likely actually to happen. And to know that, I use actually other techniques that I'm going to show you in a video that I'm publishing, I think, in the same time. I'm going to do it right away. It's about divergences. All right. So I use divergences to help me to actually pick up my scenario. Here, my preferred scenario is definitely the first one. So my first scenario, I remember you guys, was like this. And that here we were doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think that this is my preferred scenario because actually I'm having some nice divergences that I'm going to show you in another video. So guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button. So you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.